Now guys, in case of human reproduction, now this is one thing is very clear. The reproduction takes place in human is not asexual, it is sexual only. Okay, sexual means fusion of gametes. In asexual, gametes not required. Okay. Also, one important point you have to remember that in case of humans, right, they sexually reproduce as well as they are considered as viviparous. What do you mean by viviparous? See, there are two terminology, viviparous and oviparous. Okay, viviparous means the organism which directly give birth to young one. Okay, like us, we directly deliver a baby who looks like us. Okay, that is the, you can say that viviparous. Oviparous, the another term is what? Oviparous. Giving birth to ova or egg. Oviparous is giving birth to ova or egg, not egg. Basically giving birth, first of all, in case of oviparous, they lay egg, right? From their egg, okay, so basically from the egg, after some time the new baby born. It's not like it directly bird give birth to a new bird. Okay, all those organisms which lay eggs considered as oviparous. Viviparous directly give birth to young one. Okay, now in case of humans, the reproductive events includes certain steps. What are the certain steps? Number one, gametogenesis, then insemination. Now first of all, what is gametogenesis? The very first thing which happen is gametogenesis. Gametogenesis means the formation of gametes. What do you mean by gametogenesis? Gametogenesis, formation of gametes. So the formation of gametes is called gametogenesis. And what is gamete? Egg and sperms, right? So egg and sperms are the gamete actually. So first of all, the first event is you have to form egg and the sperm, then only the fusion takes place. So पहले हम पढ़ेंगे how the egg and sperm form. Then the second is insemination. Once the egg develop, the sperm develops or forms, then what happens? The sperm has to get inside the female reproductive tract, okay, to fuse with egg, because from the female reproductive tract only the egg reproduces and the egg remains there only. The sperm has to reach to the egg. What happened? The process is called insemination. Second is insemination. Third is fertilization. What do you mean by fertilization? Now, once the egg and the sperm fuses together, okay, what they form? They fertilize together and they form zygote. Okay, so the egg and the sperm fuses together and they form zygote. This process is called fertilization. What is fertilization? Fusion of sperm and ova. Once the fusion takes place, right, what you will get? You will get zygote. So after fertilization, the zygote form. Zygote undergo certain cleavage and they've under zygote converted into morula, blastula, trophoblast, and basically the blastocyst, right? Now that blastocyst attaches to the wall of uterus, that is called implantation, for further development of embryo. Okay, so what is implantation? Implantation is attachment of blastocyst to the wall of uterus. All right, then what is gestation? What do you mean by gestation, guys? Gestation or gestation is what? Now once the blastocyst attaches to the wall of uterus, right, then what happened? They started developing, the embryo started developing into a fetus, and it will take, in case of humans, it will take 9 months, right? It will take 9 months. So the duration in which the fetus developing, that duration is called gestation period. Okay, that duration is the gestation period, and that gestation period differs in different organism. In case of human, it is 9 months. Okay, so it depends on in different organism, it differs. Parturition, now once the fetus develop, अभी जो fetus develop हो गया, then it has to come outside the body, right? अभी fetus develop, then it has to deliver out. That delivering the baby out is called parturition. Whenever the baby comes out, that process is parturition.
अब एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।